What's going on, guys? DZRCKS back with another drop of knowledge, and in this one I'm going to give you guys tips for how to get by choreo block. If you're new here, consider subscribing for plenty more content just like this. Drop of knowledge, how-tos, Musicality Monday, plenty of stuff to help you grow as a dancer and have fun with your boy along the way. With that said, make sure that you go ahead and hit the notification bell, join Team Rocks, be the first one to comment first. I'll make sure I shout you out. But other than that, run that intro, let's get right into it. So as a choreographer, we've all run into the dilemma of having choreo block, and it sucks. Sometimes you never know how long it's going to last, but hopefully with these tips, you'll be able to get by, complete your choreography, and go on to the next project. So the first tip I have for you, if you have choreo block, is to freestyle to the song that you're trying to choreograph to. Freestyle brings this surprise element to it, so you don't really know what's going to be coming, and it could be random, it could be this, it could be that, but it just gives your brain some time to kind of get out some of the moves that you want to do to it, some of the things that you didn't know you wanted to do to it. If you have the option, make sure that you record that freestyle and do a couple of them. They're just for you to be able to use and go back and find inspiration. You might even be able to find a couple of moves in there that you want to throw into that choreography. So the first tip definitely is freestyle. Tip number 2, if you are trying to choreograph to a certain part and you're trying to do some musicality or you're trying to dance to the lyrics, try to switch it up. Try to dance to the other part. If you're trying to dance to the beat, switch it up and try to dance to the lyrics, or use the lyrics to influence what you do on the beat, and vice versa. If you're trying to dance to the lyrics and can't really think of anything, dance to the beat. You can either make the lyrics match what you're doing to the beat, or just kill the beat and go off like that. But try to switch it up. If you're getting stuck, just try to flip it around a little bit, the pattern of choreography and the pattern of musicality that you're trying to use. Switch it up so it becomes more new, so you give your brain an option to figure out something new that it can do. Tip number 3, try to listen to other music. Everything is about getting your brain to find that new creativity, find that new inspiration. So getting past what you're listening to and just playing other songs, freestyling around, dancing around, try your choreography to that song, but just listen to other music just so it gives your brain a rest, it gives that piece of choreography a rest, and you kind of reset your creativity on something new. So you lose the choreo block, you start moving and working to something else, and then when you come back to it, you come back with a fresh. Tip number 4 is if you can't find any dance moves to put in, try to find moments. There's formation changes, there's grooves, there's pictures that you can do. There's a lot of other elements that come with choreography that, depending on what it is that you're trying to choreograph for, you can find moments in places like that to be able to help you get by and get through it. So definitely try to look for those moments if you can't find the dance moves to put in there. Tip number 5, watch dance videos. Watch the ones that inspire creativity. Don't bite. So don't go looking for moves and stuff like that and take them and put it in your choreography. You can take it, flip it, mold it, make it yours, put it in, but find those videos that really push that creativity, push that inspiration, and they give you just that feeling you really want to move, really want to dance. It just gives you new motivation to continue to dance, continue to try to choreograph. And the next tip is to just take a break. You know, you don't have to finish it right now unless you absolutely have to, then, but just take a break. Put it off, make sure that you remember what you put down, take a break, take an hour or two, take some time off, forget about it, and then when you come back to it, now you're starting on what feels like fresh, but you have all the choreography that you did, but you get to come back to it feeling, new and refreshed about what it is that you're trying to do. So don't be scared about taking a break. You don't have to get it all out right now. And the last tip is just move on. Skip the part that's stumping you, and just move on to the next section. If there's just like this 3 to 4 counts that are just tripping you up, just skip those 3 or 4, move on to the next part and keep going. You can always come back in and fill it in with what you see fit. So don't be scared to just move on. You don't have to get every single count in a row when you're making the choreography. You can start here, then I did this part here at the end, then I came back and tweaked the beginning, then I finally finished off the middle. That's perfectly okay. It's part of the process. So don't be scared to jump around when it comes to choreographing things and not doing things linearly. Totally okay. Yeah, hopefully that helped you guys out. It's a good amount of tips. A lot of those I use still to this day. to help me create choreography and then get past choreo blocks. So get in the comment box, let me know what you guys do to help get past choreo blocks. You may be able to help somebody else who's watching and read in the comments. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you hit the notification bell, join Team Rocks. Like I said, be the first one to comment first. I will shout you out. You never gotta comment first, just comment anything, whatever's the most interesting one, that's the one I'll comment on. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm DZRCKS, I'm out.